Yeah, right now I do.
Investigation for what? Bitch, for what? For what? Huh?
Don't spit on people, you understand?
On January 27th, 2025, police in Springfield, Illinois were called to an apartment building after an evicted resident trespassed to pull the fire alarm. The encounter quickly escalated into a violent struggle after she refuses to leave and resists officers.
So, I haven't been up there for a couple minutes, but I got maintenance up there. I got one of the maintenance guys up there, my training up there.
Okay.
There was a physical altercation up there, and she pulled the sheet, got into the building at some point, pulled the fire alarm, fire department was here. They just turned it off in just a couple minutes because she pulled it again. She hid out in a locked room, which is the tub room that's over here in this corner.
Okay.
So I called the police, and then they started getting, then her and another resident started getting into a physical altercation.
Okay.
I don't know what's been going on up there since the last few minutes, sir.
But there's somebody still up there? One of you guys?
Should be, sir.
Huh?
Did she leave up before?
I don't know.
How you doing? You need to get out of here. You need to get out of here. She's at 408 now.
Charlene,
Who?
is it you we're looking for? What's your name?
My name is Camille.
Is this who we're looking for?
No.
Who are we looking
I don't
for?
know who y'all look for.
It's her? Okay. What are you
What are
doing?
you looking for me for?
Because you pulled the fire alarm.
I didn't pull no fire alarm.
Did somebody watch her pull the alarm?
No, nobody didn't watch me pull no alarm. Y'all can look on the camera.
Stop. Did somebody watch her pull
Excuse
the
me.
alarm?
You have no right to touch me. You have no right to touch me.
Yeah, right now I do. You're being detained for...
For what?
Because I told you.
Why?
Stop.
It's not no stop.
Now you're
Why?
under arrest. You're under
For what?
arrest for battery now.
How? I didn't touch nobody. Why are you doing to me? Stop.
Just stop.
Defiance.
I didn't even do nothing. I'm leaving a friend house and y'all detaining for what?
Because...
Conducting an investigation and now you're under arrest.
An investigation for what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Huh?
Don't spit on people, you understand?
Don't you spit on
Why
me.
y'all gonna do this to me?
Kicking me.
Why y'all gonna do this to me?
Here, can you grab her other hand?
No!
I got this arm. Just put that. Just grab it. Grab that arm and put it in the hand.
Go! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
Fucking kick
Let
you
me
again.
go! I didn't kick you! I didn't fucking kick you! I did not kick you, sir! I just got my legs up! I did not kick you! I've been harmed all night, and I've been running
Where's security?
away from
Can you start
somebody
one more, please,
who's
to the
trying to
first
hurt
floor?
me. That's all I've been doing. I've been getting away from somebody that's trying to hurt me all day, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I've been running all night. I'm trying to get away from.
Yeah, 10-4, but we're on the
Trying to
fourth
get away
floor
from
now.
somebody that's trying to hurt me.
Stop.
I'm sorry.
Stop
I've been trying
moving.
to get away from somebody that's trying to hurt me.
Well, then why would you act like a fool?
I'm not trying to. Look at my lip. Do you see my face?
Yeah, it looks fine.
Do you see my face? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you done
I'm
kicking?
sorry.
Are you done kicking me?
I'm sorry, but I did not put the alarm. You can
Now
look at the
sit up.
camera. You can look at the camera
Just sit right there.
and see that I did not put the alarm.
You pulled it the first time?
They always have put the alarm, but I did not. I've been here for a while, and both of the security guards know that. I just got out of the hospital. I just been hurt. My kids died just beat the fuck out of me.
So can somebody tell me what happened now?
I just got beat up and raped in the building.
I don't know what happened. I guess she came. I was on break, on lunch break. The other officers on his lunch break. Some residents downstairs said she came. She was talking to one of the residents in the TV room or whatever. And they said she was yelling, caused confusion. Then she pulled the fire alarm. So the fire alarm, only you can hear it on the 6th floor. And I don't know what else on the other floor. This is my second day.
Okay.
I'm new to
So she pulled the alarm on the first floor?
6th floor, I believe.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken.
Do you know what resident saw that happen?
Do I what?
Do you know which resident saw that?
No, you have to talk to the other officer. Big white guy.
Oh.
Like I said, I'm new.
All right. Well, let's go downstairs.
Sean.
I didn't even do anything. I'm just trying to get away from people. I just got out the hospital. I'm getting hurt.
All right. Let's walk downstairs.
And my brother not even defending me.
Stand up.
Can you put my pants up, please? My brother not even defending me. It hurt me so bad. Mom, just up there with my brother on the 6th floor.
On the 6th floor.
6.
We're gonna go downstairs first.
I'm not trying to move, but I'm so scared. I'm tired of going through this. He always do this to me. I'm so tired. I'm tired of going. It's God.
Can you tell me what happened now that we're good with her? Who saw her pull the alarm?
I didn't see
But who did see it?
I'm sorry, I'm getting my head at this.
What?
So, I didn't see anybody pull.
What happened then?
She don't live here. She didn't put the alarm because she fucked with a dude that's still on my floor.
Okay.
And when she can't get away, the alarm she pulled it twice.
Okay.
You know, she fucked with a dude that's still on my floor, a friend of mine. He don't want to be bothered with her. She don't live here. She stole on me.
Okay.
See her pull the alarm. But we have that tub room open up there. It's been open for days. I come downstairs, meeting the guy just up here asking, can you please go check the tub room? We unlocked it. She was hiding out in it. So I told her, you need to go. I'm going to call the cops. She didn't want to budge. I just called you guys. Then they started getting into her starting to get into a physical altercation. Then I came downstairs to let you guys in, and the fire alarm started going off again. So I wasn't there for either pull.
Okay.
But my trainee was there for the second one.
Yeah. Well, he said he didn't see anybody. He told me not. We could. You want to take her outside? No reason to stay here. Yeah, what did he say?
She doesn't live here. She's here trying to see some dude who doesn't want to be bothered with her, and he came out of the room and saw her on fire.
Okay, easy enough. Thank you.
I didn't do anything. Yes, you did. I'm the one hurt.
You pulled the fire alarm and then you kicked my officer.
I did not.
So that's why you're going to jail. People saw you do it.
Can you look? What?
Have a seat.
Sit
in the car.
This is the second fight that I've been in 3 days.
Put your feet
I
in.
did not.
Put your feet in.
Why am I getting arrested?
Because you can't fight the police.
I can't get help.
That's not what you did.
I was in the laundry room, barely breathing.
Put your feet in.
I didn't.
Get into the car.
I was in the laundry room,
Get
barely.
into the car.
Stop hurting me.
Oh my God.
Sit.
Barely
He's going to
breathing.
drag you across the car. Sit.
What the? Why are you doing this? Wait.
Get in
Just
the car.
sit down. Oh my God.
Wait! I'm getting in! Wait! Oh my God!
Hello? love of God.
Charlene Camille Cole was charged with disorderly conduct for making a false fire alarm, aggravated battery to a peace officer, resisting arrest, and criminal trespass to property.